Hey everyone, Andrew Bowman here with Bowman's Pro Turf. Just spent the last couple hours with the representatives from Steel Green Manufacturing and Nikki, our ATS supplier. They came down this morning and we got to try out a fantastic new machine manufactured by Steel Green Manufacturing. A little bit about them. They're located out of Lebanon, Indiana, so they are a Hoosier-made company owned here in Lebanon, Indiana, just up the road from us. Great group of guys, have a great looking machine, fantastic piece of equipment for the lawn care industry. So I got to try it out this morning and afternoon. I got to really kind of put it through its paces and see how well it will hold up. If you're in the lawn care industry doing fertilization and weed control, this is a must-have piece of equipment for you. It will make your life so much easier. So the following video is kind of an overview of one of the machines. They brought 3 down for us. I primarily tried out one of them. They're 36 and it was wonderful. So you get to hear a little bit about the machine and watch us kind of test it out. Throughout the video I'll kind of put in some information about it, what makes it unique to the industry and what we really like about this piece of equipment. So we hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, reach out to us in the links below. I have Steel Green tagged in this as well, so you can get a hold of any of those guys over there. They'd love to answer any questions that you have. Enjoy! I want to go over some of the cool things here while we have Kodi here with us about the Steel Green machine and some of the cool things that they've brought to the industry with this awesome sharp looking new unit. So Kodi, what machine do we have right here?
So this is the 36 inch. It's the smallest model. You got 21 horse Vanguard engine. Has the charging system on it. It's 20 amps at idle, 50 amp at full throttle. Gives the extra power for all the accessories, the pumps and everything.
And it's got 2 tanks on it, right? So
yep. Run 2 15-gallon tanks. They can be ran independently or together. We have a 120-pound hopper.
It's a really neat looking machine. I love the color of it. Obviously, you know, we're in lawn care. Steel green, green tanks, green hoses, really sticks out. It's one of the probably sharpest looking pieces of equipment that we could ever own. Awesome control panels up here, really easy to operate, and control levels, a lot of the electronics, really easy to get to. From an owner standpoint, for us as a small business, you know, we run machines every single day. We got 6 trucks going out every single day, and everything on this unit really easy to get to, really easy to replace. And if I need help with anything, I just call the guys up at Steel Green and they get it to us overnight. I had parts here this morning by about 8:30 that I ordered yesterday from Mike up there at Steel Green. So we love doing business with them and love their customer support and their service. Everything, like I said, really clean, really easy to get to. From my standpoint, I'm usually the one, or Dennis is over here fixing stuff. Really love how nice and tidy everything is under there. So we're really excited to get to work with all of those pieces of equipment. We're going to ride around on some of these machines here. I only wanted to go over the 36 one because this is primarily what we would be using. We do have the bigger ones here. No, that's the 46 and that's the 52. They have some different features on them. Bigger hopper on the 46 and the 52. How many pound is that one?
They both run the 220-pound
220-pound hopper on those. Bigger tanks. And then of course the 52, you have how many gallons total is that?
60 gallons.
60 gallons total of liquid that you can put out of that one. And the 46, is that also? Or is it 30? 30 gallons and then 30 gallon on the 36. So lots of really cool things here going on. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to fly the drone around for a little bit and we're going to watch him work these machines and just really enjoy kind of the afternoon getting to look at these. So I'm going to link Steel Green in the information of the video. If you have any questions, reach out to them. If ATS is in your service area, reach out to them because I know they're really great. You'll probably get to meet Kodi. We'll drive and come see you and you can demo them yourself. So hopefully you can enjoy the rest of our video here and have a great rest of your lawn care season. So for the purpose of this video and the demonstration, we did not have any granular product in the hopper, but we did have just plain water in both of the tanks, so we could test out the left tank and the right tank and the spray features here. So whenever you see us spraying during this demonstration, it's just water. There's no insecticide or pesticide being sprayed out at the time. So here you can see Kodi driving around the lawn. Very smooth controls, very easy to use, very easy to keep straight and even lines here. Some of the specifications here on the Steel Green 36 model. 2 tanks, dual tanks. You can either run them both at the same time or run them independently, left one and the right one. You could have 2 different mixtures in the tanks. As long as you flush out the lines, you'll be safe on that. 30-gallon capacity total, 125-pound hopper capacity, variable spread width of up to 25 feet, and then the spray width 2, 4, 6, and 8 feet total. It can go up to 10 miles an hour. But you probably shouldn't be spreading at that speed. The back tires are nice and tall, so it helps with stability. Very easy to control, like I said. The foot plate that he's standing on provides you with a lot of room to be comfortable when you're operating the machine itself. So it's just really user-friendly, like I said earlier. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I know that this is probably one of my favorite videos that I've had the opportunity to make. Again, a huge thank you to Steel Green Manufacturing and Kodi for coming down and bringing those 3 machines for us to use out. And thank you to Nikki of Advanced Turf Solutions for coming along and also giving us some more information. You guys are really, really good to us, and we appreciate all of your knowledge and expertise that you so graciously give us anytime we ask. So thank you for watching the video, and thank you again to Steel Green and Nikki from Advanced Turf Solutions for spending some time with us here on this beautiful September day. If you have any questions, like I said, please feel free ask in the comments. We'll reach out to me, to my email that's below, or to Nikki over at ATS, or the guys over at Steel Green. They're great companies to work with, and we're really excited to see them succeed in all of the great things that they're doing over here. I'm standing just in front of some seed that I planted 12 days ago. It's the Barenbrug RTF Turf Saver. It's coming in nicely, watering it a couple times a day as we recommend, and all of that behind me right here used to be landscaping rock and dirt, bare dirt. 12 days ago it was, and now it is nice and green and really filling in, doing a fantastic job. So with that, I'm going to leave you with this nice, beautiful, green looking, brand new strand of turf grass, and we will see you on the next video. Take care.